Today we'll be drawing ZHC for 12 hours straight. Okay boys, it's 8:38 right now p.m. and I won't stop drawing ZHC until 8:38 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let's get into it. Make sure to stay to the end for some delicious B-roll. We're almost an hour in and we have the decks done, so let's keep drawing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because if I get 100k subscribers, my sister will buy me a G7X Mark III. Right now I film on my phone, so it'll be a big upgrade. Three hours in and we haven't even finished the sketch and my hand hurts.
Yeah.
It's getting kind of cold, so I'm going to put on this hoodie. It's currently 4 hours in and we're still going strong. This is my favorite song on the beat. Let's go.
You look so fine, I can't let you leave without mine. What you doing tonight? Baby, would you like to spend some time? You look so fine, I can't let you leave without my blessing. I can't let you leave without my blessing. No, I can't let you leave without my blessing. I can't let you leave without my blessing. No, I can't let you.
5 hours in and my hand really hurts.
Racing to get to your car, wishing that we'd go too far. You got a hand on your heart, I'm gonna blow her cover. Bad girl, but she's so proper. Yeah, I can find another, but I think you're the one for me. What you doing tonight? Baby, would you like to spend some time? You look so fine, I can't let you leave without mine. What you doing tonight? Baby, would you like to spend some time? You look so fine, I can't let you leave without my blessing. I can't let you leave without my blessing.
Quick update, we're 6 hours in.
My blessing. I can't let you leave without my blessing. No, I can't let you leave without my thoughts in your head. Things that I said, fantasies of our future. Dreaming you gotta wake up, not sleeping into coma. You wanna count some commas, girl, I ain't got no commas. Dreaming you gotta wake up.
We're 7 hours in.
Baby, would you like to spend some time? You look so
We have 3 more hours to color the whole drawing. The sun's starting to come up, so we better hurry. Comment down below some songs I should use in my new videos. I'm kinda running out.
Come on and sing it with me. Sing. The words relate to the key. If it's a pattern, then just repeat after me.
Sitting in the dirt, watching Steven Universe. I just wanna flirt, I don't wanna get you hurt. I can be a jerk, please don't get me to the curb. We can make it work, put our faces on a shirt. Sing a little song, we can make it really long. I just wanna vibe, I can do it all day long. I was headed left, so I always treat you right. Knew you were the one when I saw you last night. Rubbing through your hair, I can see you really care. When you're not around, I be wishing you were here. Wanna hold your hand, pair more her favorite band. I'm your biggest fan, taking pictures in the sand. Kissing on your lips while I'm grabbing on your hips. Can you hold me down? Can you make it last a while? Love it when you smile, looking cuter than a mouth. Girl, you make me smile, haven't done that in a while.
Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth.
Hey, yeah, baby, be my bubble gum. I can be so troublesome. I just wanna love you some. You don't gotta owe me none. Now I'm on the road, doing shows. That's just how it go. Taking off your clothes, let it show. Money never fold. You my rider till we die. You my angel in the sky, blowing kisses like a blunt. Baby girl, I'm tryna stunt. You can be my number one. Won't you be my bubble gum? Yeah. Won't you be my bubble gum?
It has officially been 12 hours. It is 8:36 a.m. and we started this challenge at 8:36 p.m. and it's time for the reveal.
What you doing tonight? Baby, would you like to spend some time? You look so fine, I can't let you leave without mine. What you doing tonight? Baby, would you like to spend some time? You look so fine, I can't let you leave without my blessing. I can't let you leave without my blessing. No, I can't let you leave without my blessing. I can't let you leave without my blessing.